I for apple.
B for bear.
C for caddy.
D for deer.
E for elephant.
F for fox.
G for giraffe.
H for hippo.
I for iguana.
J for jellyfish.
K for koala.
L for lion.
M for monkey.
N for narwhal.
O for owl.
O for owl.
P for penguin.
Q for quail.
R for rhino.
S for snail.
T for turtle.
U for unicorn.
V for vulture. W for whale. X for x-ray fish.
Y for yak.
Z for zebra.
A for apple, red and sweet. B for ball, rolling on the street. C for cat, cute and small. D for dog, barking to call. E for elephant, big and strong. F for fish, swimming along. G for grapes, purple and green. H for hat, nicest ever seen. I for ice cream, yummy treat. J for juice, so fresh and sweet. K for kite, flying high. L for lion, king of the sky. M for mango, juicy and bright. N for nest, bird's delight. O for orange, round and neat. P for parrot, talking so sweet. Q for queen, wearing a crown. R for rabbit, jumping around. S for sun, shining so bright. T for train, moving with might. U for umbrella, keeping us dry. V for van, passing by. W for watch,